Guys, welcome to my channel. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, thank you for joining me and thank you for watching this video. So in this video, before I start, please, if this is your first time for seeing my channel, please like and subscribe to the button below. Please, thank you. Then in this video I want to teach you guys how to use the hashtag and the tag in your video so that your video can go viral and your channel can be recommended when you use the tag and the hashtag in the right way. So thank you for joining me and thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe. So before I teach you how to use the hashtag and the tag, I'll first of all teach you the difference between the hashtag and the tag. I will teach you the difference, how they both work, because many of us post our video, we don't know how they both work. So but now I'm going to teach you the difference between the hashtag and the tag, so that when you are posting your video, you will know the right way to use them and the right way to put them. So thank you for joining. Please watch this video till the ending. So I know many of you have been posting your videos without your video going viral. You have been posting, but your video is not going viral. Sometimes there are little mistake you are doing in your video, in posting your video. You are making this mistake, so that mistake now is affecting your video and making your video not to go viral. In order for you to make your video go viral, you have to understand these two basic difference between the hashtag and the tag. And in this video today, I'm going to explain the two different between the hashtag and tag, so that if you are posting your video, you will know the right way and the right thing to do, so that your video will go viral. So but before I start, if if this is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe to the button and subscribe for the button to get notified whenever I posted a new video, and make sure you listen to everything I'm going to say in this video in order for you to correct and make amend for your video so that your video can go viral. So now many of you you have been posting your videos every day. You have been posting your video, but your video is not get no views, your video is not going viral, YouTube is not pushing your video forward. This is because the little error you are making, because you are making some error which is affecting your video. First of all, before you start, these two things, the hashtag and the tag, help to make your video to go viral. Both things work similarly, but they have two different functions. Which you have to know how they work, so that when you put them in, when you use them in a proper way, your video can go viral. So first of all, let me start with the hashtag. So that you can know the difference between the hashtag and the tag, so that when you are posting your video, you will not be confused. So the hashtag, say both of the hashtag are very important in our videos, and they play a vital role in making our videos go viral. And both tags play and perform different roles in our video and short, which I'm going to tell you today. Okay, say most the hashtag and the tags, them perform a very vital roles in our video, like they make our videos to go viral. But both are similar, but they have different ways, like they have different work, they have different things. So you have to know how to put them. So now I'm going to tell you the difference of the hashtag. Now the difference of the, you say hashtag, these are easier way and like a click button to find your video. The hashtag are easier way. Hashtag are easier way, and it's like a click button. When you use the hashtag in your video, you see that it is being put on top of your video. The one that show the blue line with a hash. So it's like a click button that when you click it, it will make it will redirect your viewers direct your video it will take them to your video. It's an easier way. It's an easier way to find your video. The hashtag are easier way to find your video. So when a viewer or a subscriber click on your hashtag, the hashtag will direct them to your videos. So if your video are interesting, if your video are interesting for them to watch, they will be keep watching down your video one after the other. So that is the work of the hashtag. The hashtag direct viewers to watch your direct video. When they click on your hashtag in any of your video, it direct them to your channel when they will see all your videos. So another role that the hashtag plays, that it makes your video trend when you are using the right trend, when you are using the right hashtag relating to your video. Yes, the work of the hashtag again is to make your video trend. Like, for example, if there's a trending video or a trending music or a trending, let me just say, a trending content that is going viral. So when you create your content or you create your video using that hashtag, when you use that hashtag in the right way, that hashtag now is talking about your video. The hashtag is talking about your video. So when you use the hashtag will make your video trend because it's a trending hashtag you are using. So if you are using the right one, make sure that the hashtag you are using is related to your video. The hashtag you are using is related to your video. The hashtag is talking about your video. For example, now, okay, let me just say, if your video is, let me just say, how do I put this for you to understand? Let me just say, if the video you are making now is talking about, so if viewers are looking for your video, and then click on one of the hashtag in your video, the hashtag will direct them to your channel where they will find all your videos. The hashtag you use in your video, when they click one of the hashtag in your video, so it will direct them down to your channel where they will find all your video. That's why in any of your video, always hashtag your channel name. Always hashtag your channel name, so that when viewers or subscribers are looking for your video, when they tap on your hashtag in your video, it will direct them to your channel. So that is one of the work of the hashtag. It's direct viewers to your channel where they will watch all your video. They will see all your video you are posting. That's one of the work of the hashtag. Another thing that the hashtag does in our video is that it makes our video trends. Hashtag make your video or your content trend when we are using the right hashtag relating to your video. When you are using the right hashtag relating to your video, when you put it in your video, it make your video trend because the hashtag is talking about your video. The hashtag is talking about your video. Maybe there's a trending video online, then you decided to recreate something like that. Then you have to hashtag that video. That's like what this video is talking about. You have to hashtag that video. Put like about 3 to 4 hashtag. You can put more hashtag, but it should not be more than 15 hashtag. YouTube will not approve more than 15 hashtag. So anything anything in that content, anything that video is talking about, hashtag it down in your video so that when people are searching for it, it may appear up. So one of the work of the hashtag, it make our video trend when we are using the right hashtag relating to our video. There's another work of the hashtag. So another work of the hashtag is that when viewers click on your hashtag, it takes them and direct them down to your channel and down to all related video relating to the one we have posted, maybe similar to what they are looking for. When they click on your hashtag in the video, it will take them down to that related video. It will take them down to that related video in your channel. That's what another work of the hashtag. That is the number 3 work of the hashtag that I'm talking in this video. Another work of the hashtag in our video is that the hashtag make our video come up whenever viewers are searching for our content or are searching for our channel using hashtag. The fastest way viewers can get to our channel is through the hashtag. That's why whenever you are posting a video, I always say use hashtag in your content. In your content and in your video, use hashtag that carries your name. Hashtag that carries your name, so that when viewers are searching for your video, or your channel, when they search through the hashtag, when they put the hashtag, your video will pump up fast. Your video will come up fast. So one of the number 4 use of the hashtag is that when viewers are searching your channel using the hashtag, it make it to come up fast using the hashtag. Viewers locate your channel. Viewers find your channel faster and easier using the hashtag. So whenever you are posting a video, when you are creating your channel also, you can also create with a hashtag. So put an hashtag in your video, always in all your video, shorts, live stream and videos, so that in order for viewers can find your content easily. So another final work of the hashtag in our video is that it's hashtag a clickable link that make our video go viral, and recommend our channel, our videos, our short and our live stream to new subscriber. That's another work of the hashtag. It makes our video go viral and recommend our video, live stream, channel and short to go viral to new subscriber. It recommend them. So these are the work of the hashtag. So whenever you are creating your video, always make sure you put hashtag in your video. The hashtag talking about your video, the hashtag carrying your video's name. So when you put that, it make your video to go viral. So now we are going forward to the tags. Now I've tell you the difference of hashtag. Now I'm going to tell you the difference of tag now. Now when we are talking about tag, okay, you say the tag, these are related to your content or video titles. They help your video or content to pump up in the search bar. Okay, you say the hashtag, this, like for example now, you say the hashtag, these are related to your title, the title of your video, what you title your video. That's what you are putting in the tag. The tag is talking about the title of your video. What is your video is all about. That's the tag there now. So for example now, if your video is about a car, let me just say for example now, your video is about how to drive a car. That is your video. Your video is talking about how to drive a car. Then your title now is how to drive your car. Then you are coming down to the tag now. Your tag should be how to drive a car, so that when people are searching for how to drive a car, your tag now will recommend your video to them. When people are talking about how to drive your car, because your title in that video is how to drive a car, and your tag is how to drive your car. So when people are searching in the search bar in YouTube that how to drive a car, now that tag now will recommend them to your video, because your video is the same thing with what they are looking for. So that's number 1 work of the tag. That's the number 1 work of the tag. Then the number 2 work of the tag is that the tags are used to categorize your videos and your content. Like the tags are used to categorize what type of video you are creating. Is it AI video? Is it faceless channel? Or is it normal content, educating content, teaching people online? So that tags now is talking about what type of content you are creating, so that when YouTube are recommending your video, they will know the kind of audience they are recommending that video to. When YouTube are recommending your video, they will know that this is the type of the video you are creating. This the type of video you are creating. Your video is talking about this. Okay, what are people are searching for? So The tags now are talking about what type of video you are creating. That's the work of the tags. It's talking about what type of video you are creating. That's another work of the tag. The tags help to describe your video to the audience. What is the type of your video, like the type of video you are creating. And it also help, another work of the tag is that it's also help to grow your channel and to gain more views. It help your channel to grow more, to grow your channel and to gain more views. So whenever you are posting, you come down, you see where dem put tags. That tags there, now you have to like put that tags. When you put all those things together, it will make your videos to go viral. When you put all those things together, it make your video to go viral. So the tags now, the last thing is make your video and your channels to go viral. It recommend your channels to people who are looking for similar things. So you always have to put your tag in a good way that YouTube will recommend it to people. So if you find this video interesting, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And anything you need in this video, you can drop it on the comment section. Any question you have to ask, you can drop it on the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Thank you all. You have a great day.